Okie Pookies, in this video we're going to learn how to measure length. So on this page 63 of our Jump Math 2.1 book, they've given us 4 items here to measure. And the way that they want us to measure is by using these cubes. I know many of you might not have cubes at home, but that's not a problem for this page because they already have them put in for us, which is awesome. So all you have to really do is just count. So let's measure how long this clothespin is. So I'm going to count the number of blocks. 1, 2, 3. This clothespin is 3 blocks long. For the rest of this page, I want you to figure out how long these other remaining items are. After you're done, you're going to put the needle, the ant, and the worm in order from shortest to longest. So you need to tell me which of these 3 was the shortest. So you're going to write the name here. Was it the needle, the ant, or the worm? Which one was in the middle? And then which one was the longest? So you're putting them in order from shortest. So remember, shortest to longest. So the distance from one end to the other end here is longer than the distance from this end to this end. This is shorter. So you're going to have to put those 3 in order for me. So remember to write their names in here. If you think the shortest one was the needle, put the needle in, write the word needle in here. If you thought the shortest one was the worm, put the word worm in here. And the words are all right here. You can also find them right above the picture. On page 64, the question that they're asking is, what is the length closer to? So you're going to look at this picture right here. So here's a picture of a pencil, and you're going to tell me, do you think that this pencil is closer to 2 blocks long, or do you think this pencil is closer to 3 blocks long? So here they circle the answer 2. Why do you think that is? Well, if you look at the tip of this pencil right here, it's definitely closer to the 2 blocks long. The distance from here to the tip of the pencil is shorter than the distance from this side of the tip of the pencil all the way to the end of this other block. So this pencil is definitely more closer to the 2 blocks. So that's why they circled the 2. Now what you need to do is you have to figure out the rest. So there's a pencil here. Is it closer to 3 blocks or is it closer to 4 blocks? Remember to look for the shorter distance. So in this picture, remember, it was only this far away from the 2 block mark. So we know that it was closer to the 2. Look at how long this line is. This is definitely not close to the 3. It's way closer to the 2. So that is the trick to use for this page. So try the rest on your own. The bottom of this page says measure with big blocks. If you don't have big blocks at home, that's okay. You can maybe measure with a Lego cube or maybe another little toy that you might have in the home, and try to see how many of those you can fit across this pencil, and then you can just write the number down here for me. If you want to tell me what you used, maybe you can scratch out the block here and you can tell me like, oh, you used a Lego cube instead.